Haha, drugs.
Okay, they are going to do a dance called Tacha. Tacha. And teachers, thank you very much for volunteering. We're just going to do basic steps. It's really easy.
Say hi, everybody.
Oh, okay, the basic.
Let's go on YouTube.
The basic is we're going to do 4 steps on your right and then 4 steps on your left. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay, stop. Nice. You see, he added some flavors to it. That's the nicest thing about it. If you do this, it doesn't really, you have to add some spices to it. So, like Mr. Larry is doing. He's adding some flavors. Everybody add a little spices to it, okay? So, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
15, so funny.
Step 1 is perfect. You got it perfect. Step 2, we're going to call it chicken. You're just still going to do your 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, four. 1, 2,
Come back.
Ago. How are they doing? Good, good. Okay. Our next step, we're just going to call it a swing. 1, 2, 3.
I'm glad I have a lot of memory on my computer.
1, 2, 3. I have a question for you. Do you want me to do the last one, just make it short, or add more to it? The next one you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is yes, okay. Okay. Oh, there's one thing I forgot to tell you. There is always a break to change into the next step. So when you hear haba, try that, try that. Okay. Like 1, 2, like stop and think about 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, forget it. I'll sing it. So, when you hear, Larry wanted to play for you. So I'm going to sing it for you. When you hear, and 1, 2, there's always a beat pause. 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to sing butter, 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 and da, 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 da,
This is
da,
tea.
da. Butter, 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 butter. Butter, 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 butter. Okay, thank you very much. Now, we're going to have you in the front to perform.
There's some people, God, why did I go up here? Let's get this hooking up, that'd be cool. Mr. T!
Okay, ready? Oh, we have to have you in a straight line. Yeah, straight line. Nice, nice. Okay, ready? Nice. Okay, ready for the break? For step 1, which is the stepping. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Come on. Sitting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 'Thank you very much, teachers. Thank you very much.
That's nice.
Thank you very much.
Give him another round of applause, please.
I'm